All right, home repair contractors, today we're talking about not just attracting more customers, but attracting better customers. Most home repair contractors want to avoid customers who are just looking for the lowest price or the lowest bid. So today we're going to jump into 3 behaviors that a better high quality, high-end customer, 3 behaviors that they do. Number 1 is they never bring up price right away. You know you're dealing with someone who's looking for the lowest price when the first question out of their mouth is, how much is it? Your higher end, better customer for you, they're asking, when can you come over and show them whatever. They're not asking about price. The reason is, typically they have the budget and they've already done enough research to know about how much it is, and they have enough money to pay for quality and not just the lowest price. And that's the kind of customer you want, someone who's wanting to pay for the service that you give that you're worth, and not just the lowest offer that they can find. The second behavior that a better customer is going to do is they're going to check you out before they call. Think about it. If you're just looking for the lowest price, you just call around until you find the lowest price. But if you're looking for quality service, something that's going to really wow you, like a beautiful pool or outdoor kitchen or something of that nature, you're looking for quality. And so you may ask, your friends, your neighborhood Facebook page, you're going to check them out. You're going to check out their website, the content that's on there. You may check out their Facebook page, see what kind of content and reviews are out there, their Google reviews. So your online presence, if you want to attract a better customer, really needs to be on point. And then the third thing that the behavior of a better client, and this is what's great for you, is they're going to show off your work. So think about it. If you build someone this gorgeous pool with slide and waterfalls and grotto, they're going to invite their friends and family over, show it off, they're going to take pictures of it, post it to Facebook, and it's all your work. Now, if you are attracting customers that are just going with the lowest bid, first of all, they're probably not calling you if you're watching this video. People that are watching this video are trying to get better customers, but they're looking for companies that may not do as good a job as you, and they're not going to really show that off. So think about someone who's spending a significant amount of money to improve their home. They're wanting to show off that work. So what do you need to do? You need to be posting videos. You need to be posting blog posts that answer their questions before they call. You need to have an amazing online presence to match the level of quality of the services you provide. So if you're sick and tired of every time the phone rings, you know that someone's just calling to get a low price out of you, and you want to really attract customers that actually have a budget to fulfill the quality of your service, I'd love to help you out. So go ahead and email me at mario@marketwithmario.com. We'll learn about your business. We'll see if we can help.